Hello friends, now this is the last topics, that is the integration by partial fraction. At the beginning I will explain some short examples and then I will start the exercise 3.4. I will try to explain in a very simple language and whatever that my speed, that will be understand to the some medium class students. That is, some students are talented, they think that the speed is very low, and some of them say that the speed is very high, and that's why. But I know that what type of the candidates are. I will explain in my medium speed. Now let us start exercise 3.4, integration by partial fraction. Integration by partial fraction. If f of x and g of x are two polynomials, then f of x upon g of x, where g of x is not equals to 0, is called a rational algebraic function. F of x upon g of x is called a proper rational function provided that the degree of f of x is less than the degree of g of x. Otherwise, it is called improper rational function. And if the degree of f of x is greater than or equal to g of x, then f of x upon g of x is an improper rational function. Then express it as in the form quotient plus remainder upon g of x, where g of x is not equals to 0. Therefore, now here the remainder upon g of x is a proper rational function. Let us see the three different types of proper rational functions. F of x upon g of x, where g of x is not equals to 0, where the denominator g of x is expressed as a non-repeated linear factors, repeated linear factors, and product of linear factor and non-repeated quadratic factor. Now see this, all this meaning of this non-repeated linear factor. In this case, here the rational form, it is of the form px square plus qx plus r upon x minus a into x minus b into x minus c. And it's a rational partial form is, what type of the partial form is a upon x minus a plus b upon x minus b plus c upon x minus c असं आपण एक्सप्रेस करणार ज्यावेळेस या फॉर्म मध्ये असेल तेव्हा. नेक्स्ट इज px square plus qx plus r, then x minus a bracket square into x minus b. Now see this bracket square. It's a partial form is a upon x minus a plus b upon x minus a bracket square. This is the important. Suppose here is a cube sign, then what will happen? A upon x minus a plus b upon x minus a bracket square plus c upon x minus a bracket cube, in this way. And next is a plus. Now in this case x minus b is there and power is 2. Therefore a upon x minus a plus b upon x minus a bracket square plus c upon x minus c. जर इथे क्यूब पॉवर असली तर आपण 3 पर्यंत त्याला नेलं असतं. Now next is px square plus qx plus r upon x minus a into x square plus bx plus c. Now this can be expressed as a upon x minus a plus bx plus c upon x square plus bx plus c. Now we can express. Now we'll see the examples of the first time, that is integral px square plus qx plus r upon x minus a into x minus b into x minus c into dx. That is, the denominator is expressed as non-repeated linear factors. Therefore first is 3x square integral 3x square plus 4x minus 5 upon x square minus 1 into x plus 2 dx. Now here is x minus 1 and the factors are x minus 1 into x plus 1 into x plus 2. Now this is of the type a upon x minus a plus x minus 1 plus b upon x plus 2 plus c upon x plus 2. And then find out the LCM. Therefore it is written as in this manner, But besides that, what is LCM? LCM is x minus 1 into x plus 1 into x plus 2. Therefore, here is that is a into x plus 1 into x plus 2 plus b into x minus 1 into x plus 2 plus c into x minus 1 into x plus 1 upon the LCM, that is x minus 1 into x plus 1 into x plus 2. Now in this case, to the left hand side and the right hand side, both of them have the same denominator. Therefore 3x square plus 4x minus 5 is equals to a into x plus 1 into x plus 2 plus b into x minus 1 into x plus 2 plus c into x minus 1 into x plus 1 to find out the values of a, b, c. म्हणजे आपल्याला एबीसी च्या व्हॅल्यूज फाइंड आउट करायच्या आहेत. मग यासाठी जर समजा आपल्याला ए ची व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट करायची असेल तर बी आणि सी 0 झाला पाहिजे. आणि बी आणि सी ला कॉमन एलिमेंट कुठला आहे तर x मायनस 1 हा फॅक्टर इथे बी ला, सी ला देखील x मायनस 1, बी and c both of them have the x minus 1 is a common factor. Therefore x minus 1 is equals to 0, then x is equals to 1. If we substitute x is equals to 1 in this expression, then you will get the value of a and the values of b and c will be 0. Therefore, put at x is equals to 1, 3 into 1 square plus 4 into 1 minus 5 is equals to a 1 plus 1. Here is a x 1 plus 2. And if you perform the multiplication, this b and c will be 0. Then here is a 6a and here is a 3 plus 4, that is 7. 7 minus 5, that is 2. A is equals to 2 upon 6, that is a 1 by 3. This is the value of 1. A. At x is equals to minus 1, we substitute x is equals to minus 1. Then here is x plus 1 and x plus 1. That is a term a and c will become 0 and b will be present here. If we substitute x is equals to minus 1, a will 0, c will 0, b. That x is replaced by minus 1, b in bracket minus 1 plus minus 1 plus 2. And this is a b in bracket minus 2. And here is a 1. If we substitute x is equals to minus 1, that is a 3 into minus 1 square plus 4 into minus 1 minus 5. Therefore, you will get minus 2b. And what about here? Here is a 3 minus 4 minus 5. Minus 4 minus 5 is minus 9. Minus 9 plus 3 is minus 6. Therefore, minus 2b is equals to. You will get the value of b. B is equals to 3. And to find out the value of c, we substitute x is equals to minus 2. म्हणजे x plus 2 is equals to 0 इथे टाकणार की दोघांना कॉमन कुठला आहे तर x plus 2. x plus 2 is a common for both a and b. X plus 2 is equals to 0, put x is equals to minus 2, b, a and b will be 0 and you will get the value of c. That is a c in bracket, x is equals to minus 2, that is a minus 2, minus 1. And here is a minus 2 plus 1, that is a minus 1. Minus 3 minus 1, that will become 3. And simplify this, that is a minus 2 square means what? 4. 4 into 3, 12. 12 minus 8, minus 5. Minus 8 and minus 5, that minus 13. And 12 minus 13, that is a minus 1. Minus 1 is equals to 3c. Therefore, c is equals to minus 1 upon 3. And in this way, you will get the values of a, b, c. The value of a is 1 by 3 and b is 3 and c is minus 1 upon 3. Now their respective integration. Integral 1 upon 3 in bracket upon x minus 1 plus 3 upon x plus 1 plus minus 1 by 3 upon x plus 2 dx. And that is equals to 1 upon 3 log of x minus 1 plus 3 in bracket log of x plus 1 minus 1 upon 3 log of x plus 2 plus c. And if we simplify this, we can take 3 as a common. If we take 3 as common, then you will get 1 upon 3. Here is a log of x minus 1 as it is. But in this case, there is no 1 upon 3. Therefore, multiply n and d by 3 here. Then you will get 9 upon 3. Then this bracket rest 2 will be 9. That is a x plus 1 bracket rest to 9. And what about the last? It's a minus sign. It will be the divided x plus 2 plus c. And in this way, we get the answer. That is a 1 by 3 log of x minus 1 into x plus 1 bracket is to 9 upon x plus 2 plus c. Now next, problem number 2, that is integral 2x square minus 3 upon x square minus 5 into x square plus 4. Now put here x square is equals to m. Then your expression will be 2m minus 3 upon m minus 5 into m plus 4. Now split up these, that is the 2m minus 3 upon m minus 5 into m plus 4. That is equals to a upon m minus 5 plus b upon m plus 4. Again here is a cross multiplication and you can find out the LCM. That is a into m plus 4 plus b into m minus 5 upon m minus 5 into m plus 4. Again simplify this. That is multiply on both sides by, that is m minus 5 into m plus 4. That is this denominator will get cancelled. 2m minus 3 is equals to a in bracket m plus 4 plus b in bracket m minus 5. Again to find out the value of a and b. First find the value of a, therefore b must be 0. That m minus 5 is equals to 0, therefore m is equals to 5. Put m is equals to 5, b will become 0. That is a 5 plus 4, that is 9. And here is a m is 5. 2 into 5, 10. 10 minus 3, that is a 7. 7a is equals to 9. Therefore, a is equals to 7 upon 9. Next, put m is equals to minus 4. Then you will get the value of m. If you substitute m is equals to minus 4, that is a b in bracket minus 4 minus 5. That is a minus b in bracket minus 9. That is a 2 into minus 4 minus 3. That is a minus 11 is equals to minus 9b. This minus minus will become plus. And b is equals to 11 upon 9. Therefore, again we can write this. There is a 2m minus 3 upon m minus 5 into m plus 4. That is a 7 upon 9 upon m minus 5 plus 11 upon 9. And we can integrate, resubstitute the value of m, which is the x square. And this is integral 7 upon 9 plus 11 upon 9 upon x square minus 5 plus x square plus 4. And now integration of this, that is the integral of this is, that is the integral dx upon x square minus x square, and it is a tan inverse line. Then you can simplify this. These type of examples are here. Also there are the examples depending on methods of substitutions also. Now see this in this case. That is a sine integral 1 upon sine theta in bracket 3 plus 2 cos theta into d theta. Now in this case multiplied n and d by sine theta. म्हणजे याच्या न्यूमरेटर and denominator sin theta ने multiply करणार. To the numerator you will get sin theta, and to the denominator sin theta into sin theta, that is a sin square theta. Sin square theta means what? 1 minus cos square theta. In bracket 3 plus 2 cos theta. Again split up this. Put cos theta is equals to t minus sin theta into d theta is equals to 1 dt. That is a sin theta into theta, that is equals to minus dt. And again you will get the expression minus 1 upon a upon 1 minus t plus b upon 1 plus t plus c upon 3 plus 2t. And in this way you can find out the values of a, b, c and then integrate by using our standard results. Now same problem, this is integral for the trigonometry, and all these problems, all examples are very important. Take tan of theta is here common. Next is 1 plus tan square theta is a sec square theta. Put the substitute the value of tan theta is equals to t. Then you will get this type of the expression. Write down this, that is a upon 1 plus x. Here is a bx plus c. It's a non-reducible. And find out the values of a and b. All these types of the examples are asked in the exercise. I will explain all the examples from the exercise in very simple language. Now we'll see the directly exercise 3.4. That integrate the following with respect to x. X square plus 2 upon x minus 1 plus x plus 2 plus x plus 3. Now here we will start the exercise 3.4. Integrate the following with respect to x. X square plus 2 upon x minus 1 into x plus 2 plus x plus 3. It is of the form px square plus qx plus r upon x minus a into x minus b into x minus c. Now consider here x square plus 2 upon x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3. Now this can be written as, that is a upon x minus 1 plus b upon x plus 2 plus c upon x plus 3. Now we'll find out the values. See this here. Right. See this is the screen. That is x square plus 2. Take the LCM and the cancellations. That is a into x plus 2 into x plus 3. What about the b? b into x minus 1 into x plus 3. What about the c? c into x minus 1 into x plus 2. म्हणजे आपण एलसीएम घ्यायचा, त्याला त्या टर्म्सने मल्टिप्लाय करायचा आणि डिनोमिनेटर दोघांना हेच टर्म मिळणार, दोन्ही साइडला x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3. From both sides that will get cancelled, and then you will get this type of expression. Now to find out the value of b and value of a, first of all, what is the common for b and c? b and c la common का है तर x minus 1. Therefore put x minus 1 is equals to 0. Therefore x is equals to 1. If we substitute x is equals to 1 in this expression, you will get the value of a. Put here 1. X is equals to 1. 1 square plus 2 is equals to a. X is 1. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 3. And b and c will be 0. That is a 4. And here is a 3. 4 into 3. That is a 12. 3 is equals to 12a. Therefore a is equals to 3 upon 12. That is a is equals to 1 by 4. For the next, for b, that is to find out the value of b, that is a and c must be 0. Then what is the common for a and c? That is put x is equals to minus 2, or x plus 2 is equals to 0 means x is equals to minus 2. Then you will get the value of b, that is a and c will be 0. Therefore in this case put x is equals to minus 2. Therefore minus 2 bracket square plus 2. What about here b, the middle term? That is x is equals to minus 2 minus 2 minus 1, and here is a minus 2 plus 3. Therefore minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 plus 3. Here is a minus 3 into 1, that is a minus 3b, and 4 plus 2, that is equals to 6. b is equals to minus 2. Here you will get the value of b. For c, put x is equals to minus 3. Minus 3 square plus 2 is equals to c in bracket minus 2 minus 1. And next is a minus 3 plus 2. And here is a minus 4 minus 1. And that is a 4c. That is a 9 plus 2. That is equals to 11. Therefore c is equals to 11 upon 4. And in this case, we have the values of a, b, c. Now integrate this. That is integral 1 by 4 upon x minus 1 plus minus 2 upon x plus 2 plus 11 by 4 upon x plus 3. Now integrate this. What is the integral? It's a 1 by 4 log of x minus 1 minus 2 log of x plus 2 plus 11 by 4 log of x plus 3 plus c. In this way, we have completed the problem number 1. Now see the second problem, that is I is equals to integral x square upon x square plus 1 into x square minus 2 into x square plus 3 dx. Now to find out integral of this type, that is put x square is equals to t. To find out only the partial fraction of this expression, या एक्सप्रेशनच्या partial fraction साठी आपण x square is equals to t find out करतो. We are not using by method of substitution. Therefore here is a t upon t plus 2 into t minus 2 into t plus 3, that is equals to a upon t plus 1 plus b upon t minus 2 plus c upon t plus 3. Therefore t is equals to, again the LCM. What will be the LCM? T plus 1, t minus 2, t plus 3. For a, it is a t minus 2 into t plus 3. For b, it's a t plus 1 into t plus 3. For c, it will be the t plus 1 and t minus 2. To find out the value of a, b and c must be 0. Put t is equals to minus 1. b and c will be 0. Therefore, here is a t is equals to minus 1. Here is a minus 1 a, minus 1 minus 2. Here is a minus 1 plus 3. Here is a minus 3 and 2. That is a minus 6. And is a minus 1. Therefore, a is equals to 1 upon 6. For b is equals to 2. For to find out the value of b, a and c must be 0. What's the common for A and C? Put T is equals to 2. Therefore, A and C will become 0. Therefore, 2 is equals to, if we substitute T is equals to 2, 2 plus 1, here is a 2 plus 1, 2 plus 3, here is a 2 plus 3, then you will get 3, 2 plus 3 is 5, 3 into 5, that is a 15, 2 is equals to 15b. Therefore, b is equals to 2 upon 15. And for the C, to find out the value of C, what's the common? B and A and B must be 0. A and B 0 झाले पाहिजे. आपल्याला T is equals to -3 टाकावं लागणार तिथे. Put T is equals to -3. If we substitute T is equals to -3, then you will get, that is here is a -3. We substitute here -3. That is -3 plus 1, -3 minus 5. See this here. -3 plus 1, -3 minus 2. There is a -5, -2, plus 10. -3 is equals to plus 10. It is a multiplied, therefore C is equals to. The value of C is a minus 3 by 10, and therefore integral x square upon x square plus 2 into x square minus 2 into x square plus 3 dx integral. The value of A is 1 by 6 x square plus 1. Value of B is 2 upon 15 x square minus 2. And the value of C, it's a minus 3 by 10. That is a minus 3 by 10 upon x square plus 3. Now their integration. The first has the tan inverse form. That is a 1 by 6 into tan inverse of x. That is the tan inverse of x upon A. A means 1 here. Next is integral. This is the 2 upon 15. It is of the form integral. कुठल्या टाइपचे इंटिग्रेशन आहे ते? Integral dx upon x square minus x square. That is a 1 upon 2a. What is the value of a here? A is a root 2. 1 upon 2 root 2 log of x minus a. So what is a here? A is a root 2 upon x plus a. A is a root 2. And what about the last? Again, it is of the form tan inverse. That is a minus 3 by 10 into 1 upon root 3. That is a tan inverse of x upon root 3 plus c. And in this way, we have the answer. See this multiplication. Here is a 1 by 6 tan inverse of x. And to these two get cancelled. Then you will get 1 upon 15 root 2 log of x minus root 2 upon x plus root 2 minus 3 upon root 10 tan inverse of x upon root 3 plus c, and in this way. Now the problem number 3, that is I is equals to integral 12x plus 3 upon 6x square plus 13x minus 63. Now factorize this. That is a 6x square plus 13x minus 63. The factors are 6x square plus 27x minus 14x minus 63. Now take the common. That is a 3x in bracket, 2x plus 9 minus 7 in bracket, 2x plus 9, 12x plus 3, that is a 2x plus 9 into 3x minus 7. Therefore, you are getting the rational function here of this type, that is f of x upon g of x. That is a 12x plus 3 upon 2x plus 9 into 3x minus 7. Again, it is written as a upon 2x plus 9 plus b upon 3x minus 7. Again, find the values of a and b. That is a 12x plus 3 is equals to a in bracket 3x minus 7 plus b in bracket 2x plus 9. To find out the value of a, b must be 0. What about the b? B is a 2x plus 9. Therefore, 2x plus 9 is equals to 0. Therefore, x is equals to minus 9 by 2. If you substitute here, x is equals to minus 9 by 2, then b will be 0. You will get the value of a. That is a 12 into minus 9 by 2 plus 3 is equals to a in bracket 3 into minus 9 by 2 minus 7 bracket complete plus 0. That is a minus 63 plus 3, that is equals to a. And here is a 3 into 9, that is a minus 27 upon 2 minus 7. And that is a 2 into minus 7, that is a minus 14 and minus 27. That makes minus 41 upon 2. Minus 63 plus 3, that is a minus 60. This minus minus will become plus, and therefore you will get the value of a is 60 into 2 upon 41. That is a 120 upon 41. Here is the value of A, which is 120 upon 41. To find out the value of B, A must be 0. Then put 3x minus 7 is equals to 0. 3x minus 7 is equals to 0. Therefore, x is equals to 7 upon 3. That is, put x is equals to 7 upon 3. Then you will get, here is a value. What is here? 12x plus 3. 12x plus 3. That is a 12 into 7 upon 3 plus 3. Plus A will become 0. B. That is a 2 into x. X is 7 upon 3 plus 9. And find out its value. A will become 0. Here is a 28. 4 into 7. That is a 28 plus 3. A will become 0. B in bracket. 14 upon 3 plus 9. That is a B in bracket. 9 into 3. 27 plus 41. 27 plus 14. That is a 41 upon 3. And that's why you will get the value of B is 31 into 3 upon 41. That is a 93 upon 41. This is the value of B. And therefore, the integration I is equals to 12x plus 3 upon 6x square plus 13x minus 63 dx. Therefore, integral in bracket 120 upon 41 upon 2x plus 9 plus 93 upon 41 upon 3x minus 7 dx. Therefore, integration is 120 upon 41 into 1 upon 2 log of 2x plus 9 plus 93 upon 41 into 1 upon 3 log of 3x minus 7 plus 3. And in this way, you will get 60 upon 41 into log of 2x plus 9 plus 31 upon 41 log of 3x minus 7 plus 3. Now next problem. Problem number 4. I is equals to integral 2x upon 4 minus 3x minus x square. That is, square term is here the minus. Therefore, we will take minus sign as a common. Therefore, I is equals to minus integral 2x upon x square plus 3x minus 4. यातनं मायनस साइन कॉमन करणार कारण की स्क्वेअर टर्म तिथे मायनस आहे. प्रॉपर फॅक्टर्स जमण्यासाठी तसं देखील आपण करू शकतो, नो प्रॉब्लेम. But we take it as a 2x upon x square plus 3x minus 4. Again, what are the factors? The factors of x square plus 3x minus 4 are, that is x plus 4 into x minus 1. Therefore, a upon x plus 2, x plus 4 plus b upon x minus 1. Therefore, 2x is equals to a into x minus 1 plus b into x plus 4. To find out the value of a, for x is equals to minus 4, you will get the value of a. Therefore, 2 into minus 4 is equals to a minus 4 minus 1. That is a minus 5. And here is a minus 8. A is equals to minus 8 upon minus 5. That will become plus. That a is equals to 8 upon 5. This is the value of a. What about the b? To find out the value of b, put here x is equals to 1. If we substitute x is equals to 1, a value of a will become 0. 1. That is 1 plus 4. That is will become 5. 1 plus 4, 5. Therefore, 2 is equals to 5b. Therefore, b is equals to 2 upon 5. Therefore, integral I is equals to integral 2x upon 4 minus 3x minus x square dx. That is equals to minus integral 8 upon 5 upon x plus 4 plus b 2 upon 5 upon x minus 1 dx. Now take their integration. That is equals to 8 upon 5 log of x plus 4 plus 2 upon 5 log of x minus 1 plus c. And hence the integration I is equals to minus 8 upon 5 log of x plus 4 minus 2 upon 5 log of x minus 1 plus c. And this way. Now next problem number 5. I is equals to integral x square plus x minus 1 and to the denominator x square plus x minus 6 dx. Now the order of the denominator, degree of the denominator and numerator are the same. Therefore, we will divide numerator to the numerator by the denominator. That is a x square plus x minus 1 is divided by x square plus x minus 6. The first division of the 1, that is 1 into x square plus x minus 6. X square plus x minus 6, as here is a division, minus sign, plus will become minus, plus minus, and minus will become plus. These two get cancelled. Minus 1 plus 6, you will get 5. Therefore, x square plus x minus 1 upon x square plus x minus 5. that is equals to 1. What is the remainder? 5. 5 upon x square plus x minus 5. Therefore, integral 1 plus 5 upon x square plus x minus 6. And now again x square plus x minus 6 can be written as. What about the here second term? The second term, that is x upon 2. That is 1 upon 2 is second term. Its square is 1 by 4. Add plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4. What about here? This is a perfect square. That is the integral of this one is x. Keep it as it is. And 5 integral dx upon x plus 1 upon 2 bracket square minus 25 upon 4. Now again this is of the form integral, which is the form x square minus a square. That is 1 upon 2a log of x minus a upon x plus a of that form. Now see this here. 1 upon 2a x plus 5 into 1 upon 2 into 5 by 2. 2 get cancelled log of x minus a. What is x here? X plus 1 upon 2 minus 5 upon 2. X plus a, that is a x plus 1 upon 2 plus 5 upon 2. Here is I am taking that x from the formula. Therefore, here is a x plus 1 upon 2 minus 5 upon 2. If you add these two, then you will get minus 4 upon 2. That is a minus 2. Here is x minus 2. What is x? 1 upon 2 plus 5 upon 2. That is a 6 upon 2. That is a 3. Therefore, x plus this 2 get cancelled, 5 get cancelled. X plus log of in bracket x minus 2 upon x plus 3 plus c. And in this way, you will get I is equals to x plus log of x minus 2 minus log of x plus 3 plus c. And in this way, the sixth example we have completed. Now the next example is example number 7. I is equals to integral 12x square minus 2x minus 9 upon 4x square minus 1 into x plus 3. Now this can be written as, that is, it is of the form rational form and partial form. Px square plus qx plus r upon x minus a into x square plus bx plus c. That is a upon x minus a plus bx square plus c upon x square plus bx plus c. As we can write it is a, that is a upon x plus 3 plus, what about the next term? Bx square plus c. That is 4x square minus 1. Now find out again the LCM, then you will get 12x square minus 2x minus 9 is equals to a into 4x square minus 1 plus bx square plus c into x plus 3. Therefore, to find out the value of a and b, first of all find the value of a. Put x is equals to minus 3, then b will become 0. Therefore, if we substitute x is equals to minus 3, that's a 12 into in bracket minus 3 square minus 2 into minus 3 minus 9. That is a into 4 into minus 3 square minus 1. That is a minus 3 square, that will become 9. Minus and minus, here it will become again 6 minus 9. That is a 12 into 9 plus 6. That is become 114. 12 into 9 plus 9. Here is a 108 plus 6. That is 114 minus 9. What about here? A into minus 3 square. That is a 9. 9 into 4. 36. 36 minus 1. 35. Therefore, the value of A is equals to 105 upon 35. Therefore, A is equals to 3. Now, to find out the value of B and C. To find out the value of B and C, for the coefficient of x cube. Now, can we get the coefficient of x cube from this expression? Yes, we can get bx square into x. Then it will become bx cube. To the left hand side, is there present a cubic term for the x? No. Therefore, the coefficient of b, coefficient of x cube is 0. But what is the coefficient of x cube? Here, to the right hand side, b is. Therefore, b is equals to 0. That is the value of b is equals to 0. For the coefficient of x cube, b is equals to 0. I will again repeat here. Multiply this term, then you will get bx cube. On the right hand side, you have the one term which is a bx cube. Equate with to the left hand side. Is there cubic term in the left hand side? No. Therefore, the coefficient of x cube is 0, which is b. b is equals to 0 here. Coefficient of that is a constant term, not the constant, that is the constant term. Which are the constant term? Here is a minus 9. What about here? Minus 1. And next constant will be, that is a 3c, minus a plus 3c, minus a plus 3c, and to the right hand side it is a minus 1. By mistake I had written that is a coefficient of constant, only the constant. Here required only the constant, by mistake I had written. That is constant is minus 9, minus a plus 3c. Again I had repeated. Now substitute the value of a is minus 3. Therefore minus 3, so minus 3 here. Minus 9 plus 3 is equals to 2c. C is equals to minus 2. And substitute here. Therefore integral 12x square minus 2x minus 9 upon 4x square minus 1 plus into x plus 3, that is equals to integral a upon x plus 3 plus bx square plus c. Substitute the value of b is 0. Value of a is 3, that is integral 3 upon x plus 3 plus the value of c is minus 2. Value of c is a minus 2 upon 4x square minus 1. Now find out the integral of this. That is integral 3 upon x plus 3 is 3 log of x plus 3 minus, here is a minus 2. Take 4 as common, then you will get 2 by 4. Integral dx upon x square minus 1 by 4. Now here is a 1 by 2 by 4 means what? 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2 log of x minus 1 upon 2 upon x plus 1 upon 2 plus c. Simplify these 2 get cancelled, you will get overall 1 upon 2 log of 2x minus 1 upon 2x plus 1 plus c. If we simplify this, you will get 2x minus 1 upon 2, 2x plus 1 upon 2. That 2 get cancelled, and overall you will get the answer. What is the answer? That is I is equals to 1 upon 2 log of 2x plus 1. Now you will say that where is the minus sign? Now we have changed by using the property of log. 2x plus 1 is here upon 2x minus 1 here. Therefore negative sign is absorbed. Plus 3 times log of x plus 3 plus c. And in this way we have completed the problem number 7. Now we'll see in the next video for the remaining problems. Now we'll see in the next video. Till then, goodbye.